Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, and I'm so excited to have you with me today. Our word of the day is allegation, a C1 level noun that means a claim made without proof. This word often appears in news stories, discussions, or legal contexts, so it's a useful one to know. Let's dive into the meaning of allegation and how you can use it. An allegation is when someone claims that something is true, often something serious, but they don't provide evidence to support it. For example, you might hear phrases like, "The politician faced an allegation of misconduct," or "The company denied the allegation of fraud." Some synonyms for allegation include claim, accusation, and assertion. For example, the journalist made a serious claim about corruption in the organization, or the accusation of theft caused significant tension in the office. Each of these words carries a slightly different nuance, but they all relate to stating something without concrete proof. On the other hand, antonyms for allegation include proof, evidence, and confirmation. For instance, the proof of his innocence was presented in court, or the scientist provided evidence to support her theory. These words highlight the opposite idea, having solid facts to back up a statement. Now, let's look at how you might encounter allegation in everyday life. Imagine you're watching the news and you hear about an allegation of wrongdoing in a company. This tells you that someone has made a claim, but it's not yet proven. Or, in a conversation, someone might say, "She made an allegation against her neighbor, but no one knows if it's true." Here are some more examples to help you get comfortable using allegation. The school launched an investigation after an allegation of bullying surfaced. His reputation was damaged by false allegations made in the media. Without evidence, an allegation can sometimes do more harm than good. To wrap up, today we learned that allegation is a noun used to describe a claim without proof. We explored its meaning, synonyms like claim and accusation and antonyms like proof and evidence, and saw how it fits into everyday conversations and sentences. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I'd love for you to create your own sentence using allegation and share in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of the English language.